Hi, and welcome to Solutions IRB presentation on exempt category number 7. From 45 CFR 46.104D7, this is for the storage or maintenance for secondary research for which broad consent is required. Storage or maintenance of identifiable private information or identifiable biospecimen for potential secondary research use if an IRB conducts a limited review and makes the determinations required by 46.111A8. The requirements of 46.111A8 refer to how that limited IRB review is done, and in particular, how consent is obtained. So for purposes of conducting the limited IRB review, the IRB shall make the following determinations: broad consent for storage, maintenance, and secondary research use of identifiable private information or identifiable biospecimens is obtained in accordance with the requirements of 46.111A, 1 through 4, A6, and D. And these all have to do with how informed consent is normally obtained. So this refers you back to the consent process that should be used for this research. 2, broad consent is appropriately documented or waiver of documentation is appropriate in accordance with 46.111, which has to do with documentation of consent. And 3, if there is a change made for research purposes in the way the identifiable private information or identifiable biospecimens are stored or maintained, there are adequate provisions to protect the privacy of subjects and to maintain the confidentiality of the data. The documents that we require as the IRB, normal study documents, definitely the consent form being used. As you saw on the previous slide, a lot of this exempt category focuses on obtaining that broad consent appropriately. And if the research that's being conducted is collecting biospecimens for storage, details on how they are being kept and how they're being kept securely. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at reviews@solutionsirb.com or give us a call at 1-855-226-4472. Thanks.